This is Restoration Antique and Modern, and I have a screen here, mid-century screen, and I'm working with number 2 wildwood to try to take it off all the filler. And after I decided to using the sanding paper 120. After with the wildwood number 2, I went up and down all around the screen to take it off all the dirty and make sure every part of the screen was completely clean. And after that, I'm using the shellac with the brush everywhere, both sides of the screen, up and down. And after I waiting for 6 hours to start with the wildwood number 0, and every part with the wildwood number 0 to make sure the surface of the screen was very smooth and flat. You could feel with your fingers when you touch the screen. After that, there is the last step is waxing. Basically, you are going to waxing everywhere on the screen, both sides, up and down, and make sure the waxing is going everywhere and right. And after that, you start after half an hour starting buffet all the wax on the top, and make shining the wax. It's nice shining because it's come right antique shining. That's it. After that, the screen is finished. Now you will see it's nice shining. This is on the front, and after we going on the back, this is the hand. Thank you.